Morning students, as you all know that I am your English teacher, so let's begin our English class. Today I will teach you English language, English grammar. So we are going to learn about our first chapter, that is the sentence today. Children, in this video we will learn what is a sentence, how to make a sentence, rules to follow in a proper sentence, parts of sentences and types of sentence. Firstly, we have to know about what is a sentence. A sentence is a group of words which makes a complete sense or meaning. Look at the blackboard, children. सेंटेंस शब्दों को मिलाकर बनाए जाते हैं जिसमें एक कंप्लीट सेंस या मीनिंग होती है, वही प्रॉपर सेंटेंसेस होते हैं. नाउ वी विल लर्न हाउ मेनी पार्ट्स ऑफ सेंटेंसेस. चिल्ड्रन, every complete sentence contains two parts. Proper sentences contains two parts. First one is subject and another one is predicate. Now let me know you what is subject and what is predicate. The subject is what or whom the sentence is about, while the predicate tells something about the subject. Means subject वो होता है जिसके बारे में हम सेंटेंस में बात कर रहे होते हैं, एंड प्रेडिकेट वो होता है जिसके थ्रू हमें पता चलता है कि उस सेंटेंस में सब्जेक्ट के बारे में क्या बात हम कर रहे होते हैं, क्या बात हमने की. मीन्स सब्जेक्ट ओवरऑल जिसके बारे में बात हो रही हो, प्रेडिकेट उसके बारे में क्या बात हो रही हो. That is a subject and predicate. Now let us learn about a few types of sentences or kinds of sentences. Look at the first example. First type is statement, or you can say declarative sentences. Look at the first example. Nikki is learning to play the piano. This sentence is a statement telling about Nikki, and thus it is a declarative sentence or statement sentence. Means जिन sentences में कुछ बताया जाता है, state किया जाता है, declare किया जाता है, वो statement और declarative और assertive sentences होते हैं. And a statement sentences ends with full stop. Look at the blackboard. Statement sentences ends with full stop. For example, let's take another examples of this. Riya is a good girl, or my name is Rahul, or Rahul is a bad boy. These all are statement sentences. Now, second one is interrogative sentences. Interrogative sentences. Look at the examples. Look at the example of interrogative sentences. When did you start learning to play the piano? This sentence is a question that asks something. ये sentence एक question है, प्रश्न है जिसमें कुछ पूछा जा रहा है. Thus, this sentence is an interrogative sentence, or you can say question sentences. Interrogative sentences और question sentences same होते हैं. Means जिन sentences में कुछ पूछा जाता है वो interrogative sentences होते हैं. An interrogative sentence ends with a question mark, or interrogative sentences always ends with question mark. Look at the sentence at the end, it ends with question mark. Let's take another examples of this type of sentence. What is your name? Where do you live? In which class you read? Like this, these are all interrogative sentences. Now let us learn about an imperative sentences. Imperative sentences give advice or instruction or expresses a request or command. Imperative sentences give advice, instruction, request and command. Means imperative sentences किसी तरह की सलाह या निर्देश देते हैं, विनती करते हैं या ऑर्डर शो करते हैं. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, प्लीज गिव मी अ पेन, क्लोज द डोर. Look at the blackboard. There is one example. Stop whatever you are doing. So this sentence is giving a command. This sentence is giving a command. And hence it is an imperative sentence because ये command दे रहे हैं, order दे रहे हैं, order show कर रहा है. That is why ये imperative sentences है. या इसमें कोई request आती है, please give me a pen. तो that is also a imperative, that is also an imperative sentence. और जो ये हमारे imperative sentences होते हैं usually base form of a verb से start होते हैं और full stop से end होते हैं. The subject of an imperative sentence, that is you, is not shown but is understood. Imperative sentences में you शो नहीं हो, सॉरी, यू जो है वो लिखा नहीं होता है, शो नहीं किया जाता है, बट ये अपने आप में अंडरस्टूड होता है. नाउ डू यू नो व्हाट एन एक्सक्लेमेटरी सेंटेंस इज? लुक एट द ब्लैक बोर्ड. लुक एट दिस एग्जाम्पल. यमी अ फ्रेश केक. यमी अ फ्रेश केक. दिस सेंटेंस शोइंग हैप्पीनेस and thus is an exclamatory sentences. Children, an exclamatory sentence shows anger, fright, surprise, happiness or other strong feelings, or you can say exclamatory sentences expresses our feelings or emotions. जो हमारे feelings और emotions को show करते हैं, जो sentences express करते हैं, जो sentences वो एक्सक्लेमेटरी सेंटेंसेस होते हैं. मीन्स एक्सक्लेमेटरी सेंटेंसेस हमारे अंदर के भाव को प्रकट करते हैं, चाहे वो गुस्सा हो, डर हो, खुशी हो या और कोई स्ट्रॉन्ग फीलिंग हो. चिल्ड्रन, रिमेंबर वन थिंग इन दिस, एन एक्सक्लेमेटरी सेंटेंस एंड्स विथ एन एक्सक्लेमेशन मार्क. लुक एट द ब्लैक बोर्ड. यमी अ फ्रेश केक एंड इट this sentence is ends with exclamation mark, with an exclamation mark. Remember, all type of sentences begin with a capital letter. आपने अभी सारे एग्जाम्पल्स जो हमने ब्लैक बोर्ड पे लिखे थे वो आपने देखा होगा. सारे सेंटेंसेस के फर्स्ट वर्ड के फर्स्ट लेटर्स हमेशा क्या होते हैं? कैपिटल होते हैं सेंटेंस में. जैसे statement sentence ends with full stop. An interrogative sentence starts with question word and ends with question mark. Imperative sentences shows advice, request or order and it ends with full stop. And an exclamatory sentences expresses our feelings or emotions and it ends with exclamation mark. So children, hope you all have understood this chapter very well. So that's all for this session. Go for the revision. Now we will meet in our next video. So till then, take care of yourself. Thank you.